Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Ford Ranger XLT dual cab ute, stock reference number 5309. The shape runs from the 6-month 2011 through to the 6-month 2015. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel-drive transmission. P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front Sunraysia 16-inch mag with less tyre. We have a pair of Clearview aftermarket door mirrors. Left front door has 5 small dents, left rear door has 2 small dents, left rear 16-inch Sunraysia mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light painted in nightshade. Tailgate has 8 small dents, right hand tail light also painted in nightshade. Right rear Sunraysia 16-inch, good tyre. Right rear door has 3 dents. Right hand Clearview aftermarket mirror sold as a pair, and a right front 16-inch Sunraysia mag, less the tyre. TJM snorkel as well with all fittings. Driver side door trim, power window master switch, 2-door type. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, manual type, centre console, 4-wheel drive type. Climate control, heated controls, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons.